Hello friends, today I am here to answer this question that can English be spoken directly? I would say no, English cannot be spoken directly. It is not applicable or it doesn't work for those students who have completed their schooling from government school, who haven't been reading books since their childhood in English, who haven't been talking in English since their childhood, whose parents don't talk in English, whose teachers don't talk in English. So it is not applicable or it doesn't work for them. Or it works or it is applicable for those students who have completed their schooling from private school, who have been talking in English since their childhood, who have been reading books in English since their childhood, whose parents talk in English, whose teachers talk in English, who live in London, who live in America. It is applicable or it works for those students, not for everybody. Clear? You also must have tried to speak English directly, having listened to all those YouTubers, all those people, all those students who believe in this thing that English can be spoken directly. But you might not have been able to succeed in speaking English directly. You must have failed. But the thing and the method which is not working properly, which is not working successfully, why you are adopting that method? Clear? Now I would like to ask you a question. Can you speak German directly? No. Can you speak Japanese directly? No. Can you speak French directly? No. Can you speak Tamil directly? No. Can you speak Malayalam directly? No. Can you speak Punjabi directly? No. Can you speak Bengali directly? No. There are multifarious languages which cannot be spoken directly. If you want to learn any language, then you have to translate the sentences from that language which you know into that language which you want to learn or which you feel like learning. Easy? So here, if you have been speaking English since your childhood and you want to learn Malayalam, then you have to translate the sentences from English to Malayalam. Clear? And if you have been speaking Tamil since your childhood and you want to learn English, then you have to translate the sentences from Tamil to English. And if you have been speaking Japanese since your childhood and you want to learn English, then you have to translate the sentences from Japanese to English. And if you have been speaking French since your childhood and you want to learn English, then you have to translate the sentences from French to English. And if you have been speaking Bengali and you want to learn English, then you have to translate the sentences from Bengali to English. And if you have been speaking Odia since your childhood and you want to learn Bengali, then you have to translate the sentences from Odia to Bengali. I guess I must have answered your question, or you must have understood that whatever language you want to learn, then you would have to translate the sentences from that language which you know into that language which you want to learn. Clear? So there are some YouTubers, there are a lot of people who live around you who would just suggest you to speak English directly. Don't listen to them when you feel that this method is not working successfully. Clear? Thank you so much.